The gold is being a tough cookie recently, and I mean it, because last week I sent a signal to sell the gold from 2396, and as you can see, this signal has entirely failed, and the market just kept rising above my entry. And of course, those who have joined my free group of Telegram, they were actually able to receive this notification directly from me personally when I said that unfortunately this gold signal is no longer valid. Strong bullish momentum is detected. We will have to advise you now to close it in 25 pips of loss. So thankfully, those who have joined my group, they were actually able to receive this update, and they have closed it in a small loss of 25 pips or maybe a little more. Those who refused to join the free group, of course, they had to face the losses by themselves, and they lost more than 160 pips. So I'm telling you, my friends, it's really your benefit to join this group. You can just simply look it up right here, Extreme Trader Signals. But please make sure to join the correct group. Don't fall to the scammers who pretend to be extreme trader, especially one of them is a broker. And once you deposit your money in their broker, your money is gone. There is no way to withdraw it. And unfortunately, we have received a lot of complaints accusing us to be that broker. They thought that this broker is still Isam. However, I'm telling you, I am not that broker. I have no business with them. He is just a scammer using my name. So make sure, my friends, please to join the group through this actual link, or you can just simply check the description below of this video, and you will find the direct link to our Telegram there. You can just simply click on it and just join directly. So what's next now with the gold? That's the big question. Now let's analyze it candle by candle. So right now, moving to the weekly chart, my only problem with the gold right now is the fact that the pair is actually ranging right now on this channel, and as you can see, that is of course the channel, and the market actually has made a strong bullish breakout from that channel, as you can see right now. And based on the weekly chart for the last maybe 2 months, the gold actually kept respecting that level of a previous support trend line, and right now it seems like it actually has rejected the retest of the broken resistance right here at 2380. So let me just zoom in right now and show it to you. So right now we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a broken level of a real resistance exactly right there at 2362, sorry. And as we can see, of course, that was the real level of a resistance, a bullish breakout candle. And then we have support number 1, support number 2, and number 3. So a lot of rejection from the bearish breakout from that area. Now, I believe for the rest of the month of August, the gold is going to remain to be bullish until Mr. Jerome Powell in the next month is going to announce the new, or actually he will announce if there will be any rates cut in the federal interests. There are actually a lot of studies saying that he will not listen to the investors, and he will just not announce any cuts in the rates, and in my opinion that will crush the gold. If he announces a cut in the rates, that will be good, and the gold will continue the rise. So until then, I believe the gold is going to maintain some liquidity and will continue the rise. So eventually now, from technical view, what we can see right here, of course, is a double top pattern, and with the current strong bullish momentum, we can expect from the gold to continue the rise to create a triple top pattern. So meaning the gold is going toward the resistance right here exactly at 2466, and until then we can buy the gold until it reach that level. So a triple top pattern, in my opinion, is going on its way. Now another way to confirm this is by simply switch right now to the 4-hour time frame and squeeze the chart like that. Now what we can see here is really simple. Now what I can see here is, of course, that level of a support trend line being respected, and also right here we have, of course, a support trend line. So another confirmation that we have here now a triangle being created. We have here 4 attempts, even 5 actually, of support trend line at 2 attempts of a resistance trend line. Of course, because it's an upper trend, and since we're talking about upper trend, then you will have more attempts of a support trend line rather than on a resistance trend line. So that means that since the gold is actually ranging on side of this channel, the gold most likely will continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a real resistance right here of a resistance trend line, sorry, and that will be actually our take profit level. So meaning, since the gold right now is actually facing right here this level of a resistance exactly at the closing price of 2341, we can expect a pullback to happen, and if that happens, I'm expecting actually from the gold to respect that level of support zone exactly right here at the bracket of 240, I think. Yeah, 2400. So that level of a real support level, as we can see right now, most likely is going to be respected. It became here a resistance and become a resistance right here, which has instantly been broken out from. So right now we can expect from the gold to fall again and respect the same level of that support zone, and afterward the gold most likely will continue flying toward our take profit level at 2459, I think yeah, almost 2460 we can say. Now we need another confirmation for this, and to use we will actually use the Fibonacci retracement. That's surely enough. Check this out. So right now, of course, that's going to be exactly our entry at the resistance right here, at the previous support at 2401, which was Fibonacci 61.8, and that, in my opinion, will be the best option for us to enter by buying the gold, and take profit level will be at 23.62451. So that means that we can actually aim around, we can actually even make it higher at 2456, which means we can actually aim around 555 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here exactly at 2379, which means our safe zone is going to be just like this, ranging for around 220 pips against 555 pips of profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends. Now someone might tell me, but Stella, your take profit level is closer to the current price. Shall we just place a buy order until it reaches the take profit level? The answer is no, don't do that. Most likely, guys, the market will continue the fall to retest the broken level of resistance right here at 2401. If you want to face those almost 300 pips of loss of a drawdown, it's up to you, but I totally against it. You can actually, someone might tell me, but can we sell until it reaches that level? Again, don't do that. Do not sell the market until it reaches our entry, because also there is still a possibility with this bullish momentum that the gold might instantly rise to our take profit level. So do not risk and do not trade by yourself, assuming that my signal will be followed like this. I'm just waiting for the perfect entry, then we can place our buy order. But do not sell until it reaches take profit level, and do not buy right now, hoping for it to reach instantly the take profit level. And again, don't forget, my friends, to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. Make sure to trade with the Xtreme Trader team and do not trade by yourself. And again, for the last reminder, trading gold nowadays is really risky. Everyone is almost avoiding it. Good only for scalping, but in condition of swing trading, it's really, really risky. We have to be very careful and wise about how we are trading the gold nowadays. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.